Want to transform your Galaxy S25 Ultra into a pro-level camera setup? Whether you're a casual user or a budding creator, having the right accessories can unlock incredible potential you never knew existed. Stick around because today we're diving into the top 5 must-have Galaxy S25 Ultra camera accessories on Amazon, and you'll want to stay until the end to see which one comes out on top. Spoiler alert, there's a clear winner. All the links are in the description below, so check them out as we go. Let's jump right in. Number 5, the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. If you're all about capturing stunning landscapes or intricate close-ups, the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit is a fantastic addition. It offers a wide-angle lens for capturing 45% more of your scene and a macro lens that reveals jaw-dropping details. Plus, the kit includes an LED light for low light conditions, which makes it a versatile tool for nighttime photography or dimly lit indoor shots. Its build quality outshines cheaper options, offering a durable and premium feel. However, it lacks a fisheye lens, which some competitors like the Keywing offer. Additionally, the LED light's battery life could be better for extended shoots. If you're a hobbyist or social media enthusiast, this is a great starting point. However, those looking for a fisheye effect, longer light life, or a budget-friendly kit might want to consider other options. Number 4, the SmallRig X Brandon Lee Mobile Video Kit. Next up, we've got a powerhouse for video creators, the SmallRig X Brandon Lee All-in-One Mobile Video Kit. With its modular design, M0.2 SSD support for recording 4K ProRes footage, and wireless remote, this kit is a dream for professionals. The variable ND filter is a game changer for managing exposure in tricky lighting. Its aluminum build ensures durability, making it ideal for outdoor shoots and rough conditions. However, it lacks motorized stabilization, something gimbals like the DJI Osmo Mobile excel at. Another consideration is its higher price, which might be a hurdle for beginners. If you're a serious mobile filmmaker looking for flexibility, advanced features, and long-term durability, this is a top choice. But beginners might find the setup a bit overwhelming, and those on a tight budget may want to explore simpler options. Number 3, UltraGlass Unbreak Top 9H Plus Lens Protector. Protecting your Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera lenses is non-negotiable, and the UltraGlass Unbreak Top 9H Plus Lens Protector is up for the job. With military-grade durability and seamless clarity, it keeps your lenses safe from scratches and impacts without compromising photo quality. Its ease of installation is a standout feature, ensuring no bubbles or misalignments during setup. While it lacks anti-reflective coatings found in competitors like Zag's Invisible Shield, its robust protection and budget-friendly price make it a solid pick for anyone who prioritizes durability. However, its lack of advanced coatings might not suit professional photographers who require minimal glare and maximum clarity. If glare reduction or premium features are essential for you, though, you might want to explore other options. Number 2, the BOYA Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Great audio can make or break your content, and the BOYA Wireless Lavalier Microphone delivers impressive performance for its price. With noise cancellation, 164 VOD range, and 9-hour battery life, it's perfect for podcasters, vloggers, and live streamers. Setup is a breeze, no adapters or apps required. Its compact design makes it easy to carry whether you're traveling or working on location. While it's not as premium as the Rode Wireless Micro, it's a budget-friendly alternative that punches above its weight. Additionally, the BOYA microphone lacks dual-channel functionality, which might be a limitation for interviews or multi-person recordings. If crystal clear audio, portability, and affordability are what you're after without breaking the bank, the BOYA microphone is a winner in its category. Number 1, the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer. And finally, our top pick is the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer, a game changer for anyone serious about smartphone videography. Its AI-powered tracking, detachable touchscreen remote, and high payload capacity make it a standout choice. The 3-axis stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage, and the LED fill light with adjustable brightness is a lifesaver for low-light shoots. It also boasts a long battery life and an ergonomic grip, making it perfect for extended sessions. Compared to competitors like the Xun Smooth 5S AI, the iSteady M7 offers more versatility, though it's priced a bit higher. Some users may find its advanced features overwhelming initially, but for creators who want professional quality stabilization and features, this gimbal is a no-brainer. So, which one's the winner? While each accessory brings something unique to the table, the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer takes the crown today. Its advanced stabilization, AI tracking, and premium build quality make it the ultimate tool for creators looking to elevate their content to pro levels. But what do you think? Do you agree with our pick, or do you have a favorite from the list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, all the links to these accessories are in the description, so check them out. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.